Hey, what's up guys? David here from Dignited. Today I want to show you how you can use AI to enhance your document creation in Google Docs. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so last week Google announced a suite of AI tools that you can use to enhance your productivity in some of its products, including Gmail, including search, including Google Docs, slides, and sheets. So today I want to just show you what you can do with AI, aka BAD, in Google Docs. All right, so when you open Google Docs, if you go to docs.google.com and you create a new document, you'll see this little button here that says help me write, with a little pencil icon and a star. So this is your AI assistant that you can use to create a number of documents, from job applications to blog posts to marketing copies to poems, lyrics, social media content, and so forth. There's a lot more that you can do with this. So if you're familiar with ChatGPT, you've probably been using this in ChatGPT, but now imagine you can now do this right in Google Docs. So I'm just going to sample a couple of use cases and see how well this thing really performs. All right, let's get into it. So just tap on help me write right here, and you'll see a couple of things that you can do with it right here. All right, so let's try out a cover letter for a job as a tech blogger and see what it does. Write a cover letter for a job as a tech blogger. Okay, all right, so it takes around 30 seconds before it gives an output. And here we go. So what we have here: dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the tech blogger position in your company. Here is where you put the company. I've been a tech blogger for the past 5 years and I have a strong understanding of the latest trends in tech industry. I'm also an experienced writer and an editor, and I have a proven track record of producing high quality content that is both informative and engaging. So I think it's quite convincing. It's formal, and this is probably something that I could come up with. All right, in my previous role as a tech blogger at my previous company, I was responsible for writing and editing blog posts, articles, and so forth. So it goes down: thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, put your name. So if you're quite happy with this, then you can come here and insert. So it inserts in Google Doc, and you can now do further edits. But if you're not happy with that, you can refine. In this case, you can make it more formal. You can shorten it. If you really want to make it a very short pitch, you can elaborate. I think this lengthens it, or you can rephrase. And this button here is for recreating. So let's just see if it can shorten and see what it comes up with. Dear hiring manager name, this is where you put the hiring manager name. I'm writing to apply for the tech blogger position at company name. This is where you put the company you're applying to. I've been a tech blogger for 5 years with a proven track record of producing high quality content at my previous company. Inside previous company, I edited blog posts, articles, and social media content. I'm confident that I have the skills and experience that you're looking for. Sincerely, your name. So I think this could actually work. And click insert, and here you go. You have your draft ready to go. Just edit the bits that you need to edit right here, and you're able to shoot that draft. So I think this is quite helpful. Now you'll also notice that you'll have this little pencil icon again appear just on the left side here, and you can add additional content right here. So this is useful. I'm just going to delete this, and again, if you just refresh this document, you may not see that help me write button we saw earlier. So just tap on this little button right here. It's the same thing, help me write. Okay, so let's try out something else. A formal invitation. Write a formal invitation to teach blogging at a local high school. Okay, just going to correct this. All right, let's see what it comes up with. All right, and here it is. Dear name of the teacher, I'm writing to invite you to teach blogging class at name of high school this fall. I believe that blogging is a valuable skill for students to learn, and I think you'll be an excellent instructor. You have a wealth of experience in the field, and your passion for blogging is evident in your writing. Yeah, so sincerely, it actually automatically inserts my name here. Okay, so I think this is quite good. If you go ahead and say insert, it will insert the draft there. So I noticed that doesn't really add any information contextually based on what is before and after. So for example, in this paragraph where it says we would cover topics such as choosing a topic, writing engaging content, and promoting your blog. So if I said add a sample lesson plan, I don't know if it will give us the right information. All right, here it gives us a sample lesson plan, but it is not contextual to this document here. All right, it's just something generic. So this is still a limitation. I wish it will become a little bit more smarter and understand that the lesson plan that I want is for the blogging lessons that I intend to do at this high school. Yeah, so that is one thing that it doesn't really do currently. All right, now let's try out something else. Maybe you're a blogger, a content creator online, and let's see how well can do content. Okay, so let me tell you to write a how-to guide on how to operate a lawn mower, for example. Okay, here we go. A how-to guide on how to operate a lawnmower. Inspect the lawnmower to make sure it is in good working condition. Check the oil level, spark plug, and the blade. Put on safety glasses and earplugs. Start the lawnmower and let it warm up for a few seconds. So I can see this is really good. This is what I will do. Here are some additional tips for operating a lawnmower safely. Never mow the lawn when it is wet or icy. Keep children and pets away from the lawnmower while it is in use. Store the lawnmower in a safe place when not in use. Yeah, this seems to be okay to me. All right, let's try something else. Write a blog post discussing the pros and cons of working from home. Okay, so this is another blog post idea. Let's see what content it comes up with. All right, working from home has become increasingly popular in recent years, with many companies offering remote work options with their employees. There are many pros and cons to working from home, and it's important to weigh these factors carefully before deciding if working from home is right for you. Some of the pros of working from home include increased flexibility, reduced commuting time, increased productivity, improved work-life balance. Then some of the cons: isolation, distraction, lack of structure, technology use. Overall, there are both pros and cons to working from home, so this is kind of adding more context. Here are some additional tips for working from home effectively. So I think there is structure to this, and if you've read blog posts online, you can tell that there is a striking similarity, at least in terms of structure and content. So you can see there is structure, there is flow to the article, which is kind of similar to probably what you've read online. It feels like it's something that has actually been written by a human being rather than an AI bot. So this is really good. If you're comfortable, just insert, and of course you can now add your own additional points to the article, because this is more like a skeletal structure really. All right, and now if you're a marketer, you can also use this tool to create marketing copy, and let's just see how good it does that. Okay, so let's tell it to write a newspaper ad for a car auction to get people to come to the auction. Okay. Headline: car auction, get your dream car at a fraction of the price. Body: are you looking for a new car? Do you want to save money? If so, then you need to attend our car auction. We have a wide variety of cars to choose from at great prices. You're sure to find the perfect car for your needs and budget. Okay, this looks good. Don't miss out on amazing opportunity to get your dream car at fraction of the price. Attend our car auction today. Call to action: visit our website to learn more and register for the auction. Okay, and then of course we have a little bit of urgency here. Limited time offer. Early bird registration is now open. Save 10% on your registration fees by registering before the end of the month. So you can see there is really good structure here, and it's based on good marketing copy. You have a headline, you have a body, you have a call to action, a little bit of urgency to make sure that the customer, goes ahead and does the registration. Yeah, so if you're happy with this, go ahead and insert, and then of course you can make modifications to it. Okay, we can try something else. Let's say write a pitch for a product that allows users to create holograms of themselves. Okay, so this looks like a copy for a website of a new product that allows users to create holograms of themselves, called HoloMe. Okay, introducing HoloMe, the world's first holographic avatar creator. With HoloMe, you can create a lifelike hologram of yourself that you can use to communicate with family and friends, attend virtual events, and even play games. HoloMe is easy to use. Simply take a few photos of yourself and our AI will create a 3D model of your face. So you can tell this looks like a very good copy for a product landing page of this new product called HoloMe. It's really well written and it highlights all the features of the product. Okay, HoloMe is the future of communication. It's the most immersive and realistic way to connect with people from anywhere in the world. Order your HoloMe today and start experiencing the future. So here's the thing: you can either go with this or you can hire an expensive copy editor to come up with a copy like this. So I think this is really game changing, at least for now. I think these tools are going to make people that are not experts in certain fields create content that is at least at par with what an expert would do in that specific field. Yeah, so this is great. And lastly, let's just see if it can do some creative content, things like writing poems and lyrics. So let's say write a poem of a woman living independently in the woods. Okay, I'm not even a poet, but let's see what this comes up with. Oh, there you go. She lives alone in the woods, a woman of a few words. She has her own way of doing things and she doesn't care what others think. This looks good. This looks like an actual poem, but the real poets can tell us in the comments if this is anything that they would expect. Okay, let's try out something else. Write lyrics to a song about first love. Here we go, verse 1. I remember the day we met. It was like something out of a movie. We were both so young and so innocent, and we fell in love so quickly. Chorus. Well, I'm not a musician, I'm not an artist, but here you go. You have a verse, chorus, and a bridge. So I know that this is the flow of a song, but I don't know if it is really lyrical, if it would make to the billboards. But here you have it. Okay, so this is Help Me Write, AI tool right in Google Docs. It's rolling out. If you haven't got it, most likely you will get it. So for me, I have it already in my Gmail. I just opened Docs and it was right there. So if you don't have it, then just wait a couple of days. You should be able to see it in your account. Alright guys, so this has been my walkthrough of Help Me Write, an AI assistant in Google Docs. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this really great? Is this going to change the way that we work, write documents, collaborate, write emails and so forth? Yeah, just drop me in the comments, let me know. Otherwise, if you found value in this video, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, watch my videos on using the AI bot to write emails in Gmail, and also watch my beginner's guide to Google Bard. Otherwise, see you guys in the next one.